are pleased to show you the 2019 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, rear view camera, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.